Hello, students. This is Miss Sin, and I'm going to briefly tell you some details and show you some resources to help you learn more about natural gas as an energy source. This page that you're looking at here is where you'll also be going. I'll share this with you. And it tells you some basic details about natural gas as an energy source. One of the most important details is that it is non-renewable. And it talks about here why that is classified as a non-renewable energy source. Down below, here's the resource where I got that information. Here is a graphic and I'll explain this. And that graphic I got at this link. And then I'm also going to send you to this link to help you give you more details about what natural gas is all about. So this one here is a pretty basic website. Tells you here what is natural gas, how did it form. Here it tells you how it took many years to create it, because it's a fossil fuel, and what all fossil fuels are pretty much created the same. Here's details about natural gas, and if you keep going down here, how we drill wells to produce the natural gas, getting that natural gas to the users, because that's of course what we get it out of the earth for, is to use it to create electricity for ourselves and other sources of energy, So it tells you here, the steps are grouped into 3 categories. They process it, they transport this source, and then they store it or use it. And so if you look at this graphic here, which is the same one that I have over here, it is telling you that it has to be drilled out of the ground. So here's your drill picture that's supposed to represent the drills, oil and gas. It comes up, and then it is separated, oil and water. So this is during the production steps. Some of this stuff is too detailed for us to understand, so I'll just skip that step. Here to the gas processing plant, so it would be piped there, I believe. And in this step, these are the things that are happening to it. It goes on to a compressor station. If you follow the arrows, you can see sometimes it's directly sold from there. So if they're selling it to these type of customers, they add an odor to it. And when you read, you'll need to understand why do they need to add an odor to natural gas. Sometimes they store it underground. You can follow the arrows there or that way. Or if they're going to sell it to factories or farms or businesses or just a house, it goes to the natural gas company and then goes to them. Or they store it as liquid natural gas. And that's what those letters stand for. All right. This website here gives a little bit more information for you too. It shows you what it looks like as an atom. Here it gives you some basic information that would be good to read. Tells you some information about the gas itself, and then down here it gets pretty complicated, so I wouldn't bother reading down here. That won't help you with your project that you're making. So just read these first couple paragraphs. And this is what the atom of a natural gas particles looks like. So between all of that, hopefully that'll help you understand enough to explain to your classmates natural gas. See ya.